Hey, good morning guys. We are at the North 40 Fly Shop. Today's video, I am going to take you fly fishing on the Coeur d'Alene River. We're going to start with the very basics. We're right here at North 40 Fly Shop. I'm going to get outfitted with gear, show you guys how to do that. Then we're going to hit the road, head over to the Coeur d'Alene River. And we're going to show you some fly fishing shots right here in North Idaho because it is the best place to fly fish in the world. All right, real quick, if you don't know what North 40 is, it is a local, I think they're pretty exclusive to North Idaho. There's a few of them up here. It's like if Cabela's, Home Depot, and Tractor Supply had a baby, it would be North 40. They've got guns, ammo, clothes, outfitting stuff, camping gear, and of course, fly fishing. All right, let's go check out the fly fishing shop.
All said and done, $396.40.
All right.
Oh, that's actually not bad at all.
For a solid first setup, it's not bad.
All right, we just took the Kingston exit. So you take 90 eastbound from Coeur d'Alene. It's about a 20-minute drive. Take the Kingston exit. That'll pop you out right along the Coeur d'Alene River. We just grabbed coffee at Base Camp Coffee, which is right by the exit there. And now we're heading up to the spot to go fishing. One of the things I love about living here in North Idaho is how accessible the outdoors are. We're like 30-35 minutes from Coeur d'Alene right now, fly fishing on the Coeur d'Alene River, and there are so many activities that you can do outside. So it depends on your ability to access those. So maybe hunting is not going to work for you because of some mobility issues or something like that, but fly fishing definitely could work for you and give you access to get out here in the outdoors. I think that's the best part. I'm here on a weekday and I'm looking around at this beautiful rock face behind us, beautiful river, hanging out with my buddies. That's Big John down there. He's on our real estate team as well. And Adrian, home inspector. And here we are out here just enjoying this beautiful nature. Get to connect with it. That's what it's all about right here about that.
So we're out here on the Coeur d'Alene River, beautiful river. One of the questions we always get asked in the fly shop is like, what's the season? And in all reality, you can fly fish all year. Key thing, if you're going to go fishing, make sure you get a license, make sure you're legal. It's really important for us to support fishing game. So, but Seth, I think it's time for us to fish, so we're going to go fish. What I want you to imagine is that you're like a T-Rex in a chimney. So T-Rex, you got small little arms, and then in the chimney, you don't have much space to move, right?
You lose it?
All right, we're gonna cut out and go get some lunch at the Snakepit, which is a local classic, by the way. I think it used to be a whorehouse. Is that right?
It did.
Yeah.
Big whorehouse.
Yeah, not anymore, thankfully. But I hooked one up today. I mean, that was exciting. You pulled one in, right?
Yep, just a little rainbow.
Like
Nothing
3
big.
inches, or
I
what?
pretty much ripped its lip out.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
ripped the lips right off its face. Yeah, it was tiny. It was like that.
Unintentional,
big.
right?
Yeah, unintentional. I felt
Well,
bad.
I think we're done harassing fish here on the Coeur d'Alene, so we'll grab lunch. Let's go check that out.
Let's do it.
Hey, thanks guys for joining us with our fly fishing adventure here in North Idaho on the Coeur d'Alene River. If you guys have questions about fly fishing, you can always go see our buddy Adrian at North 40 Fly Shop in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. And once again, thank you guys. We will catch you on the next video.